Hello! Beshi, pauwi ka na? Nakabili ako sakto. Oo, 9:30 nakarating ako ng bahay. May duty nga ako, baby. Oh. Ingat ka ha. Uwi ka ba? Sige, sige. Ingat ka. Love you. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Hello, Olivia. I thought you're absent. Hello, nice to see you again. Okay, where's my camera? Oh my God, my camera. Okay, there. Okay. Hello, Olivia. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you hear me? Very good.
Yeah.
Can you see the picture that I'm sharing on the screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good job.
Như cảm ơn cuộc bùa. Như
Okay,
cảm ơn cuộc bùa.
Olivia. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again.
Lấy you ở trên à.
Nice to see you too.
Đồng tâm á. Hả? Tôi lấy you ở trên mà.
Oh, what did you do? What did you do today?
Thì cậu xây pha xin á.
How are you today?
I'm happy today.
Oh, you're happy today. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, Olivia, are you ready to our lesson?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go. Now let's have page 63. Okay, what we have in a page 63? Listen and circle the correct picture. Okay, you can use your pen and the audio starts now.
Track 65.
Listen and circle the correct picture. Number 1.
V. Violin.
Violin. Circle.
Number 2.
Umpire.
Umpire.
Number 3.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Number 4.
Sun.
Sun. Okay, you may start now. Okay, are you done? Okay, number 1 is violin. Number 2 is umpire. Number 3 is, what is number 3? Number 3 is tiger. Okay, next. Sun. Circle the sun. Sun. Good job. You have answered it all correctly. Now, let's circle the correct letter. Please circle the correct letter. Number 1, vest.
Apple. 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 Mâm nội. Thầu sư mâm. Thầy thầu sư cầm vô tấm măng đi mà ta.
Vest. What letter starts with vest? Vest. Okay. What letter starts with this? Mhm. V. V. Vest. Letter V. Letter V. Mhm. Okay, what's the answer, Olivia? Letter V. Next, number 2. Number 2 is?
Number 2 is
What is number 2?
sad.
Yes, sad. Next, what is this? Where's the cat?
Under.
Yes, under. Wow, good job. Okay, now we are done. Now let's proceed to the next. Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Okay, let's listen to the audio first.
Track 66. Wrap up.
Listen to the
Wrap up.
beginning sound. Circle the correct picture.
Picture
Number 1.
1.
V. V.
Number 2.
S.
Number 2.
Number 2.
2. Fire.
What is number 2?
Track 66. Wrap up.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture.
Circle.
Number 1.
V. V.
Number 2.
S. S.
Number 3.
Uh.
Number 2 is seat. Seat. Where is seat? Circle the seat. Yes, very good. How about number 3? Umbrella. Very good. Well done. Now, can you please tell me, what is this? What do you see in this picture? What's this, Olivia?
This
This is sad.
that.
How about this one?
A key.
Tire. This is a tire. Very good. Next.
Tire.
How about this?
Wheel.
What is this? A vest. This is a vest. good job.
This is
Mhm. This one. Oh, okay. This one, what
umbrella.
is?
Umbrella.
This one, what is this? This is
This
What?
is a violin.
a violin. Mhm. Okay, next. Next picture, what is this?
Seat.
Okay, a seat. Good job. Next. This. What is this?
This is tall.
Mm-hmm. What is this, Olivia?
Tall.
Tall. Is this tall? Yes, very
Tall.
good. Next. Are you tall or are you short?
Tall.
Ah, you are tall. How about mom? Mom and dad, who is tall?
Mom.
Mom is
Uh,
tall. How about grandma and grandpa? Who is taller? Who is taller? Grandma?
Grandma.
Yes. Okay, next. What's this, Olivia?
Umbrella. Umbrella.
Yes. When do we use an umbrella?
The rainy day.
During rainy days. Yes. It's an umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yes. Next. What's this?
Seat.
Mm-hmm. This one is?
Jeep.
Jeep. Is this a jeep? Mm-hmm.
Seat.
It's a van. It's a van. Okay. What is the use of van? Mm-hmm. Do you see van? Yes, van. We use van for traveling. Yes. Mm-hmm. Next, how about this? Mm-hmm.
Apple.
What's this?
Apple.
Ah,
Apple.
okay, a tiger.
Con tài cái. Nhiều con yêu à. Nhiều con cái không số pasta.
This is a tiger.
Mấy giờ phải thấy. Còn nữa. Mấy ra.
Hello, Grandma. Good evening.
Hello, Missy. Con xem. Tay đi. Igo. Mày.
Okay, we are
Santa.
done with wrap
Okay.
up.
Điểm nó xài đi à?
Now
Hello.
listen, write the
Đây
letter
được tụi mày à?
that begins the word. Okay,
Mày
listen
nhớ tình
carefully. Olivia?
Thằng đã. Kia. Hello.
Track 67.
Listen and write the letter that begins the word. Number 1.
Sun. Sun.
Ồ, sắc chỉnh xin tất cả.
Number
Đi đâu
2.
á cầm á.
10.
Xin đâu á cầm á, xài đi mà
Ten.
đi bà. Đi đâu à?
Number
Đi đâu mà xài
3.
à? Chọn phỏng mà, chọn phỏng mà, xài đi.
Vase.
Thằng ta. Rồi mấy.
Number 4.
Umpire.
Cậu đó.
Umpire.
Thôi gì chỉnh xài đi cơ mà. Hả?係lo. Cầm máy.係đó.
Okay, Olivia,
máy.
what letter starts with number 1?
Không識喎.
Olivia,
Miss話整細啲嘅咩？睇你唔使啦，
Olivia.
求其啦。你畫到咪得咯？你攞隻手指細細力咁畫佢咪得咯？剔啊！
Okay,
Hả?
Olivia,
誒，
what
嗱睇下
letter?
Miss 講咩先
What
呢個係
letter
梯㗎
starts with number 1? What is this?
溫喎，溫係咩啊？溫咩啊？
This is 你
唔好成日咁執着啦。清晒，清晒先，清晒你個乜嘢型？俾我睇下你要細喎，點知呢個細啊？邊個啊？呢個？唔係縮到嘅咩？咪得咯？唔係，咁你想點啊？
Olivia. Olivia. Okay, let's start with
Miss
listen, write the letter. Okay, what letter starts with number 1, Olivia?
溫喎。
Here,
得
what
啦。
letter starts with sun?
得啦。邊個啊？問你
Letter
㗎嗰啲啊？細細力寫啊？嚇？你寫邊度㗎要？寫呢邊咩？寫呢邊咩？嚇？
What letter starts with number 1?
點
It's
解唔得㗎喎？個 baby 就唔出嚟。
okay, we'll play the audio. Listen
誒
carefully.
得唔得 ？OK。
Track 67.
Listen and write the letter that begins the
而家
word.
細唔細咗啊？
Number 1.
Sun. Sun.
點解你會無啦啦又整大咗嘅咧？我想問
Number
你。
1, sun.
Number 2.
Sun.
10.
我
10.
你真係要刪咗呢個啊？
10.
咁咯，
Number 3.
Vase.
我都唔知你想點啦。
Vase
得啦，你整咗出嚟梗係唔得啦。
Number 4.
Umpire.
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 Okay, what letter starts with number 1, Olivia? Yes, very good. How about number 2?
得唔得啊？細啊？
What is this?
得唔得啊？你講唔得。
What letter is this? What number is this? Number 10. Okay, what letter starts with 10? It's a T. Very good. T. Good job. Next, number 3. What is number 3? Number 3 is what is number 3? It's a V. V. What is this? It's a vase. Vase. Yes. What is the use of vase, Olivia? What is the use of vase? We use vase for putting. What do we put in a vase? What do we put? Flowers. Yes, very good. V. Letter V. V. Letter V. Next, what position is this? Number 4.
Umpire.
Yes, you remember. That is umpire. Go. Okay, well done. Good job. Now, let's proceed to the next. Let's listen to the story. Please listen carefully and the audio starts now.
Track 68. Story.
Story.
Track 68. Story.
Listen to the story.
Listen to the story. Wow! Let's dance. Let's dance.
A tiger at the sea.
A tiger at the sea.
Look at the new kite.
Look at the new kite.
Sad tiger under an umbrella.
Sad tiger under an umbrella.
A sad tiger in a house.
A sad tiger in a house. That's sad. Okay, Olivia, please read the story by your own. You
The
may
tiger on the zoo.
at the sea.
Look at the kite, little kite.
Hmm.
Look at that tiger. And look
Under an
house.
umbrella.
Umbrella.
Next.
Look at the
A sad tiger
tiger on the home.
in a house.
House.
Okay, again. A tiger at the sea.
Here.
Look.
Look at the new kite. Look at the
Sad tiger
tiger on the
under an umbrella.
yeah. Look at the
Next.
that
A sad tiger in a house. Well done. Good job, Olivia. Yes, and because of that, I'm giving you. Oh, what's this? This is scary. Oh my
What?
God, what's this? A pink
What?
snake. Yes, it is a pink python. Oh my God, so dangerous. Is this dangerous, Mr. Snake? Is
Yeah.
Mr. Snake dangerous? Yes. It's so cute. It's a pink polka dot. Yes, this is Mr. Snake. Okay, now we are running out of time. Let's have a reward. Okay, reward time. Let's have a reward. Okay, let's go. Reward, reward, reward for Olivia. Can you see the picture? Okay, yes. Mhm. Olivia for okay, for active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing homework, doing your task, a good student, helping teacher, yes, on task, participating in every hour lesson. Thank you. I really appreciate that. And persistence, working hard. Okay, Olivia, that's all for tonight. Okay, now let's have a bye-bye, friend. Okay, bye-bye, Olivia. See you on Wednesday. Bye. Bye, friend. Thank you, Olivia. Thank you, Grandma. Bye.
Bye.